Good morning student. Chapter number 4 Reproductive Health. Today topic discuss MTP. What is MTP? MTP means medical termination of pregnancy. First of all introduction. Intestinal or voluntary. Voluntary termination pregnancy. Voluntary or involuntary. Voluntary means before full term is called medical termination pregnancy means medical or induced abortion. Clear? It is a one type of abortion technology. Abortion. Clear? Nearly 45 to 50 million MTPs are performed in a year. 45 to 50 millions MTP are performed in a year all over the world, which accounts 1/5 NEET Gujarat Board regular MCQs total number of conceived pregnancy in a year. Obviously, MTP has a significant role in decreasing the population through it is not meet that purpose, and whether to accept legalize MTP or not is being debated to many countries for emotional, ethical, religious and social issue evolved by the government of India. Legalized MTP in 1971. Rules for India started from MTP with some strict condition to avoid its misuse. Such restrictions are all the more important check indiscriminate illegally female foeticide which are reported too high in India. Means why MTP? Obviously answer is to get rid to unwanted to pregnancy. MTP means unwanted to pregnancy. Wanted pregnancy नहीं, unwanted to pregnancy. It is a MTP. Either due to causal unprotected intercourse, failure of the contraceptive use, and during coitus or rapes. This reason only for coitus or rapes, only female. MTP is used for technology. MTP are also essential in certain cases where continuation of the pregnancy could be harmful. Continuous pregnancy in women is a harmful or even fatal, either mother, fetus or both. It is very harmful for mother or fetus of child of birth for fetus. Next, MTP are considered relatively safe during first trimester up to 12 weeks. Means first trimester means first 3 months. 3 months means trimester, means 12 week of pregnancy. Second trimester abortion much more risky. One distributing trend observed that majority of the MTPs are performed illegally by unqualified quacks, which are not only unsafe but could be fatal too. Another dangerous trend is the misuse amniocentesis. This is reason. Amniocentesis meaning determination of this definition for amniocentesis means determination the sex of unborn child. Determination the sex of unborn child, and frequently if the fetus is found in the female, it is followed by MTP. This technology used for this is totally against what is legal. Such practice should be avoided because this dangerous both of this young mother and the fetus. Effective counseling for the need to avoid unprotected coitus and risk factor involve illegal abortions while providing more health care facilities and could resolve this mentioned unhealthy trend. Clear? Thank you, student.